L-uffiċjali tal-Unjoni Ewropea jaqblu li Malta tinsab imħejja biex tmexxi l-ewwel sitt xhur tal-Presidenza Ewropea. L-aħħar minn sensiela li kkonfermaw dan kien is-segretarju ġenerali tal-Kunsill tal-Unjoni Ewropea Jeppe Mikkelsen li kummenta ma' News wara laqgħa li kellu mal-Kabinett tal-Ministri l-ġimgħa filgħodu. Irrimarka li Malta tinsab lesta biex tmexxi din il-Presidenza fi żmien tant sensittiv.
I'm very happy to say that that was an excellent meeting, that it is my clear impression that Malta is very well prepared. You may say that we live in testing times, but Malta is ready.
Filwaqt li rikonoxxa li l-Unjoni Ewropea għaddejja minn inċertezza kbira, is-Segretarju Ġenerali tal-Kunsill tal-Unjoni Ewropea tenna l-fiduċja tiegħu f'pajjiżna.
Because there is a lot of political uncertainty, it is more important than ever to have a presidency that is determined to deliver on the very many very different issues which are of direct importance to our citizens and to our businesses. I feel a strong determination and commitment to do exactly that. And that is the best service which the Maltese presidency can do to us, for the Union in these particular circumstances.
Il-prioritajiet tal-Presidenza Maltija mhux biss se jgħinu l-Aġenda Ewropea, iżda anke dik nazzjonali sostna Mikkelsen.
Maltese priorities fit very well with the broader European agenda. We know that we need to deliver, for example, on issues like migration, where I know that Malta, because of Malta's geographical situation, feels this issue very closely every day, and here trying to deal with that issue in a manner that is both ensuring that we can manage the problem and at the same time.
Prioritajiet oħra li Malta se tkun qed tmexxi l quddiem tul din il-Presidenza hija s-sigurtà, is-settur marittimu, il-Mediterran u l-kunċett ta' suq uniku fost oħrajn.